Tabno saka waturanga kau ni tumbua. Wana turanga saka na tumbua. Husaka diwa. Nando bot saka chiko. Nando song saka songkulang langi. Singa saka ni kuwa. Honorable Minister for Lands and Mineral Resources, Honorable Wasarongo, Honorable Minister for Rural and Maritime Development and Disaster Management, Honorable Ditoka, Honorable Minister for Itauke Affairs, Honorable Vasu, Permanent Secretaries, Assistant Minister for Agriculture and Waterways, Honorable Tinambuna, Commissioner Nathan, Tikina representatives, special administrators, government representatives, Acting CEO for South Town Council, invited guests, media representatives, ladies and gentlemen. Mbulare, Memsa Mbulare. A very good morning to you all. First, I'd like to seek your indulgence. Also allow me to speak in the Toke dialect this morning. Nabunwa saka da kau ni tambua. Kena usaka diwa na mendo basa katiwa na sika saka sinikua. Tomanda na baka binibina kaliw. Usa chunga ni tokai saka chiko. Na les ni matinitu kuna sa juga na ngoni turanga untuk presidendi dilusa ni matinitu talaki na ngoni turanga na iliu ni Maciu ngoni turanga na nanda prime minister nanda banua ngorbarua ngoni turanga itu na batu Kion ke sarana belis ba matinitu. Leo talo chine matambo siado. Les baka ministers mutabi pubali ba ministers ratiro sakana sinikua. Tau mandana ba nakalebu. Musa kachugo ni bingar ngarabi wabuno baka turang. Kleitan ikina namundo buno baka turang. Ana singa binanikua. Indo sana kami na nababi nakachiko ba lebu ni kuwa klan na ndo ba chona ngani turanga tu lebu tebita no nakaya ke undolu na mena ami ngani baka bele benaka na ba lebu na buku saka chiko ni roko bi saka chiko na les ngol saka chiko mai buku saka chiko ni matani tu mai ndo ba saka chiko na singa naka ni kuwa mau saka chiko ni matani tu ni sautu saka chiko na banua lang saka chiko na banua saka kau ni tambo. Ladies and gentlemen, today we mark the commencement of the Nabouwalu new town development, the first for the province of Mbua. This gathering is not just a celebration of bricks and mortars. It's a celebration of dreams, unity, and resilience that define the spirit of the people of the Vunua of the County Mbua. For years, the people of Nabouwalu, the people of the County Mbua, have yearned for promise of development, a promise to transform their lives and elevate their community. Today is the first step toward realizing that dream. A dream born out of patience, hope, and unwavering belief for a brighter future. Your coalition government is committed to action, setting the stage for growth, standing soldier to soldier with the people of Mua in this transformative journey. We understand the aspirations that have lingered in the hearts of the community, especially those in Nabouwalu, and we share in the emotion that permeates this historical occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, our new town development is a fusion of modernity and a rich cultural heritage, a testament to our meticulous planning and unwavering dedication. Central to this development is the Nabouwalu passenger terminal, acknowledging the vital role of waterways in our daily lives. This terminal is more than a point of transit. It is a gateway to enhance connectivity, increase commerce, and expanded recreational opportunities for Vanuatu. As we embark on this journey, we recognize the synergy between land and water, envisioning economic prosperity and cultural exchange. Our aim is to create a hub of innovation where businesses thrive and educators flourishes. A town where every street, park, and corner tells of a story of shared prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, let's also reflect on the significant impact of Nabouwalu as a transportation hub. In 2021, 159,206 people traveled to and from Nabouwalu, and over 147,539 in 2022. Simultaneously, the movement of cargo has been remarkable, with approximately 367,595 tons in 2021 and 330,440 tons in 2022. These figures underscore the critical role Nabouwalu plays in connecting people and facilitating trade, emphasizing the necessity and timeliness of a new town development. The people of the County Tambua have patiently waited. And today, as we break ground for the Nabouwalu passenger terminal, we want you to know that your dreams are no longer distant echoes. They are taking shape, becoming a tangible reality, brick by brick and promise by promise. Furthermore, Nabouwalu will be amongst the first towns where town planners will ensure that all urban planning principles are applied. These commitments speaks to our dedication to create a model town where every aspect is carefully designed to enhance the quality of life for its residents and visitors. We are setting a precedent for thoughtful, sustainable urban planning that prioritizes functionality, aesthetics, and environmental consciousness. As we address the pressing issue of climate change, we remain mindful of the Vanua County Tambua's natural beauty and biodiversity. Our new town will not just meet immediate needs, but anticipate and adapt to a changing climate. It will feature green spaces as carbon sinks, rely on renewable energies, and implement water management systems for resource efficiency. This project sets a benchmark for eco-friendly urban planning, emphasizing our commitment to sustainability. In planning this small town, we have considered not only the needs of the present, but also the legacy that we will leave for future generations. Our long-term vision ensures the responsible stewardship of our land, allowing Boa to thrive for years to come. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all who contributed to this endeavor, the dedicated team at the Ministry of Local Government, the Commissioner Northern, Ministry of Lands, TLTB, key stakeholders in land development, contractors, and most importantly, the people of the County Tambua. Your active participation has shaped this vision into reality. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, also pleased to share here that your coalition government has paid out education assistance of $40.2 million for the first batch to help our needy parents and guardians as they prepare for the opening of the new school year. Above will benefit 200,760 eligible students. And I'm also hopeful that there are also some students from Boa who have also benefited in this scheme. We are also pleased to announce the successful induction of our towns and cities special administrators that was held yesterday, who will assist in ensuring the smooth preparation of the local government election planned for later this year. Today, we pledge to make this dream a reality, to ensure that Nabouwalu town development, new town development, becomes a beacon of progress, a testament to what can be achieved when the community and the government work hand in hand. May this town be a shining beacon of progress, and where community bonds strengthen with each passing day. Sare, and let us embrace this new chapter in the proud history of Mbua. May God bless the people of the County Tambua. May God bless Fiji.